In this video, I will show you how to download and install Crunchyroll on your smart TV. Now, over here is my Android smart TV, but it doesn't really matter the smart TV you're using. So whether it's a Hisense, Samsung, LG smart TV, this tutorial is going to work perfectly well for you. So first things first, you want to head over to the App Store of your smart TV. So whatever smart TV you're using, Hisense, Samsung, just go ahead and open up the App Store of your smart TV. In my case, I'll go ahead and open up the Google Play Store, just like so. And I know you can see the Crunchyroll app on my TV over here, but in your case, you may not find it just on the homepage. So what you just want to do is to head over to the search bar at the top right corner of the App Store. And then you want to go ahead and search for Crunchyroll. And now you can basically see the Crunchyroll app on my Android smart TV over here. Now, if you do not find it on your smart TV, then I encourage that you stick around towards the end of this video for an alternative solution. But if you're able to find it on whatever smart TV you're using, you just want to go ahead and click on the install button. And once the app is downloaded and installed into your smart TV, you just want to go ahead and click on the open button to open it directly from here. And now we have Crunchyroll running on our Android smart TV. Now you can go ahead and log in, or you can just go ahead and click on the free trial option. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and create an account. Or alternatively, if you already have an account, you just want to go over to the scan QR codes option. Now you want to come over to the camera app on your mobile phone, place it on the front of the screen like so, and the QR code will redirect you to the Crunchyroll website or app where you can now log in or create an account. And finally, for those that do not have the Crunchyroll app on their smart TV, what you have to note is that the Crunchyroll app developers are gradually pushing their app to every smart TV. For example, in some Samsung smart TV currently, you can get the app, but in some smart TVs, you will not be able to find the Crunchyroll app on the App Store. Now, if you're unable to get the app, then an alternative solution is for you to basically get a TV stick or a TV box, just like this one over here. Now, this is the Mi TV stick, and it's a very affordable and easy device to use. Once it is connected to your TV, it is going to give your TV that Android environment that will now enable you to be able to download and install Crunchyroll just the same way we've done in this particular video. That will be all on how to download and install Crunchyroll on your smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.